You have to try it, I swear. Hello everyone and good morning, guys. I just woke up. Welcome if you're new here and welcome back to my channel. Yay! For today's video, you guys, it's gonna be what I eat in a day. I love watching those kind of videos on YouTube, so I told myself, why not just film what I eat in a day? If you like it, it will be amazing. I will do a lot of them, and if you don't, then yeah, please like it. Anyways, I just woke up and I am starving, so enough talking and let's cook breakfast. It's actually a healthy breakfast and it's so good. I really love it. So we need 1 banana. So this is oatmeal, cacao powder, chocolate and milk. I'm gonna smash this banana. The last step is adding chocolate. I love dark chocolate, you guys. This is the best. I don't even want to hear about white chocolate or like chocolate milk or I don't know what. Dark chocolate is the original. Take just one like this. And then I just put it here. And then I would put it on the microwave for like 1 to 2 minutes. And I'll be back. And it's kind of hot. This, you guys, smells amazing. You know, it smells like banana and chocolate with the milk. It smells like ice cream. Oh my god, you should try this. Like, this is a banger. And of course, a good morning without coffee, it's not a good morning. Okay, and now taste test. Oh my god, you guys, this, can you see it? This looks amazing. Some chocolate. I mean, I'm a chef. This is delicious. Like the banana and chocolate. It's the best combination ever. You have to try it, I swear. I don't know what to do for lunch. I think I need to do grocery shop, that's for sure. And yeah, I'm gonna finish my breakfast now, you guys, and we'll catch up for lunch. It's lunchtime and I am starving. So let's do a grocery shop and cook my lunch. My lunch is super duper delicious. I can't wait to make it. So let's go. So hot outside. So today for lunch I'm gonna make the Hailey Bieber pizza toast. I am so excited. It's so delicious. So I bought all the ingredients and I can't wait to eat. Okay, this is hot sauce. First thing, we're gonna butter the bread so it's golden crunchy. Why is the butter like this? Oh, I thought it was cheese. I was shocked. Okay, I have to take this off. Oh my god, I got scared. Okay. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer for like 1 to 2 minutes. Our bread is ready. And we add some herbs. And a little bit of olive oil. And it is ready. I changed my sweater because it's so hot. But oh my god, oh my god. No. Oh my god. This thing is heavy. Oh my god, doesn't it look so freaking delicious? Okay, taste test now. Okay, this is a lot. Cheers! I love eating pizza with olives. Oh my god, this was such a good meal. I am full, completely full. Alhamdulillah. Anyways, you guys, we'll catch up for dinner. And we're back for dinner. Dinner, chicken winner. So for dinner tonight, I'm actually not gonna cook. Yesterday, my sister was here in my apartment and she made us a tomato soup. So I'm gonna heat it with a little bread with cheese, I think. I'm gonna heat it and then I will do the bread. So for bread, I thought this is perfect. The bread, I think the cheese is kind of burnt. It's okay. Should we taste test? Okay. I'm so hungry. Mmm. Yeah, tomato soup are the best soup ever. Mmm. Now this is the bread. I mean, it's good, but it's not wow. but the soup is so freaking good. It's some couple hours later and it's late at night, but of course after every meal we have to have a sweet treat, so I'm gonna snack on I love a good juicy watermelon. It's just Today, all what I did is eating, which I don't mind. No, I actually studied and I did my 10K steps, so proud of myself. This is really good. It's so juicy. Alright y'all, that is the end of what I eat in a day. I ate really good today and the meals were super delicious. I hope y'all liked what I ate in a day, and if you guys want more of it, comment down below. And me now, I think I'm gonna knock out. I'm so tired, so I'm gonna go sleep. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!